If you need to cancel an order on the Temu app, the process is actually a lot easier than most people expect. As long as the order hasn't shipped yet, you can cancel it in just a few taps and get your money back without any issues. Start by opening the Temu app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom corner to open your account page. From there, go into your orders section where you'll see a full list of every item you've purchased. Keep in mind that cancellation only works while an order is still processing. If it already shipped, the cancel button will disappear and you'll have to request a return instead. Find the order you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details. Scroll down the page until you see the cancel order button. Tap it and the app will show you each item included in that order. You can cancel everything or just select specific items if you only change your mind about part of it. After selecting the items, tap next step. Temu will ask why you're canceling. Pick any option that fits, such as finding a better price, changing your mind, or ordering the wrong item. Tap next step again, then hit confirm cancellation. Once that's done, you'll see a message saying your cancellation is in progress. The app usually updates within a short time and the refund will start processing automatically. You can always return to your orders page and check the status to make sure everything went through. It's simple, quick, and saves you from waiting for a package you don't want anymore.